Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the app or screen where the status bar appears and making sure notifications and overlays are permitted. Once done, glance to the top or bottom edge to spot icons and signals. This tells you what to expect. Next, tap or swipe the edge to reveal hidden details. Some systems require a downward swipe, others a long press. Make sure to note persistent icons versus temporary ones so you can act quickly on alerts and system states. You now interact directly. Tap battery, network, or clock icons to open related menus. This reveals settings and deeper info. Once expanded, use quick toggles for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Do Not Disturb. These save time versus digging into full settings. For advanced options, long press an icon to jump to its detailed page. Make sure to watch for transient banners that disappear. If you need them, act immediately or swipe down to capture the full notification history before it vanishes. You finish by closing panels and confirming changes. Swipe up or tap outside to dismiss the status view, then test any toggles you altered to ensure they stick. Once done, adjust permanent preferences through the main settings if you need lasting behavior. If icons are missing or controls don't respond, restart the app, toggle notification or overlay permissions, and reboot the device as a final step. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache before reinstalling to preserve other settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.